Hello everyone, welcome back to Career Defense School. Students, we are going to discuss today the Sainik School paper which was held on 9th of January 2022. It is the class 9th paper. We are going to discuss section C, General Science. So let's start. The first question is, the substance expected to have the highest ignition temperature out of the following is kerosene, petrol, coal, and alcohol. The right answer is option 3, alcohol. Read the following statements carefully and identify X, Y, Z respectively. आपने इसमें बताना है कि X, Y, Z कौन से elements हैं. X is stored under kerosene. Y catches fire on exposure and stored in water. Z reacts with water slowly. The options are NaMgCu. Second option is NaPFe. Third option is CuZnK. And fourth one is ZnCu and Na. The right option is 2, which is sodium, phosphorus and iron. Okay. Next is crop rotation is performed to improve the fertility of the soil, save nitrogenous fertilizers, help in weed control and pest control. The options are only A and B, only A and C, only B and C, fourth A, B and C. The right answer is, just a minute. The right answer is A, B and C. Next question is, sex determining system in which males are XY and females are XX is found in all multicellular organisms, animals, vertebrates or mammals. The answer is mammals. Next is, metals are generally hard. Which of the following metals is an exception and can be cut with a knife? कौन सी मेटल है जिसको आप नाइफ के साथ भी कट कर सकते हो? ऑप्शंस आर, फर्स्ट इज आयरन, सेकंड इज सोडियम, थर्ड इज गोल्ड एंड द फोर्थ वन इज मैग्नीशियम. द आंसर इज सोडियम. Next is, I am the source of synthetic polymer. I am a mixture of a number of carbon compounds which can be separated by fractional distillation. I am petrol, diesel, petroleum or kerosene. The right option is petroleum. It is easier to swim in sea water than in river water because sea water is more dense than river water. Sea water has waves. Sea has large quantity of water. Sea water is less dense than river water. The right option is sea water is more dense than river water. A cell converts electrical energy into chemical energy into electrical energy, magnetic energy into electrical energy into mechanical energy. The right answer is chemical energy into electrical energy. Full form of LED is light emitting diode, light emission diode, layer emission diode or layer electron device. The right option is light emitting diode. Next question is, which of the following statements about plastics is true? All plastics do not have same arrangements of monomer units. Melamine resists fire and can tolerate heat better than other plastics. Plastics with cross-linked monomers are also known. The application of plastics is limited. Options are 1 and 3, 3 and 4, third is 1, 2 and 3 and fourth one is 1, 3 and 5. The answer is third option, which is 1, 2 and 3. First, second and third statement जो है वो true है. Next question is, which of the following is a mismatched pair? Ovaries, estrogen, testes, testosterone, pancreas, calcitonin, adrenal glands, corticosteroids. The answer is pancreas, calcitonin. This is a mismatched pair. A cube of side 0.2 meter rests on the floor as shown. Given that the cube has mass of 50 kilogram, the pressure exerted by the cube on the floor is, the right answer is 12,500 nanometer raised to power minus 2. Then is, refer to the given figures P and Q. How do reproductive cells produced in P differ from the produced in Q in terms of production and their modes of storage? First is, mature cells of P can get stored for longer periods in reproductive tract, whereas in only immature cells remain stored. P produces fewer reproductive cells than Q does. Reproductive cells produced by P do not show mobility. Q produces reproductive cells for a longer period in an individual's lifespan than P does. In these four options, the right option is, the answer is fourth one, which is Q produces reproductive cells for a longer period in an individual's lifespan than P does. Next question is, a toy car released with the same initial speed will travel farthest on muddy surface, polished marble surface, cemented surface or brick surface. The right option is polished marble surface. Next question is, which of the following statements is true? Yellow flame are ideal for heating. The substances which vaporize during burning gives flames. Luminous zone contains unburnt carbon particles. The non-luminous zone has the highest temperature. The answer is third one, which is second, third and fourth. These statements are true. Next question is, which type of organisms live in the body of termites and digest wood cellulose, convert it to soluble carbohydrates? The options are algae, fungi, protozoa and nematoda. The right answer is protozoa, which is also known as cellulose enzyme. Next question is, a small hole P is made in a piece of cardboard. The hole is illuminated by a torch as shown in figure. The ray of light coming out of hole falls on the mirror. At which point should the eye be placed so that the hole can be seen? A, B और C और D. आपको बताना है कि इनमें से कौन से पॉइंट पे आई होनी चाहिए ताकि हम होल को देख सके. तो राइट ऑप्शन इज A, because the angle of incidence and angle of reflection should be same if we want to see the hole. Okay, the next. Loudness of sound is measured in units of decibel, hertz, meter or meter per seconds. Then the right answer is, the option is decibel. Next question is, when an object moves closer to concave lens, the image formed by it shifts away from the lens, first away then towards the lens, first towards and then away from the lens. The right option is first one, that is away from the lens. Next is, when the applied force is doubled on an object and the object is still at rest, then friction becomes doubled, halved, quadrupled or zero. The answer is doubled. Which of the following statements is incorrect regarding metamorphosis? It is the process of transformation of larva into an adult through drastic changes. In human beings, metamorphosis does not does not occur because the young ones resemble the adults at the time of birth. Life cycle of butterflies is completed in 4 stages involving egg, larva, pupa, or adult. Fourth option is a tadpole that hatches out of the egg resembles the adult frog in almost all respects. In these 4 options, the right option is fourth one. A tadpole that hatches out of the egg resembles the adult frog in almost all respects. Next question is study the given correlation. Heat treatment, sterilization, then vaccination is immunization. So the right option is second one, which is immunization. Which of the following on reshuffling gives the term that refers to the process of sowing seeds manually by sprinkling them on the soil by hand? This process is known as broadcasting. So the option third is the right option. Next question is a rubber sucker when pressed on a surface sticks to it because gravitational pulls acts on it, atmospheric pressure acts on it. A rubber sucker has some glycerin in it. Atmospheric pressure does not act on it. In these 4 options, right option is atmospheric pressure acts on it. The last option is the loudness of sound depends on its amplitude, time period, frequency, speed. The right option is amplitude. So with this section C is finished. तो अगर आपको कोई भी डाउट है इसमें प्लीज कमेंट डाउन इन द कमेंट बॉक्स. थैंक यू सो मच.
पूरा वीडियो देखने के लिए और लेटेस्ट एग्जाम अपडेट्स जानने के लिए डाउनलोड करें कैरियर डिफेंस स्कूल का एंड्रॉयड ऐप.